Welcome to the online demonstration of Aquaremote pump management system. My name is Damien. I'm one of the developers of the Aquaremote system, and today I'll be taking you through some of the features of our pump management solution. Starting here, you can see a map view of the pump in question, which is a 75 kilowatt affinity. This is our demo site. You can see that the pump is online, indicated by the green icon. On the left hand side here we can see a number of pump sites, so by location or company, by site, by asset. So we're looking at this pump set. On the right hand side here there is a task pane which is providing us with feedback from this particular pump. At the moment we're showing pressure, flow, current and temperature. In addition to this, we also have a control screen which provides us with the ability to start the pump, stop the pump, provide a run timer, provide an enable, a primer timer. We have set point control for pressure PID feedback, but this can also be used for flow, level or any other form of control. We can enable or disable that as such. And then we have speed control as well, so preset speeds and also speeds which can be managed on the fly. Each system has a protection set for pressure, current, flow and temperature. Each one of these is set by moving the slider and applying enable. There are bypass timers for each one of the features, as you may wish to line fill or change the duration before a shutdown. In addition, there is also a schedule controller, so you can enable the schedule. You can set the start time, you can set the run time and the days you wish to apply the schedule to. You can see here that the pump is not running, but the pump is healthy. So let's start the pump, pressing apply. There is a primer timer set, so this will time out first, so there's 10 seconds before the pump will start. You can see here now the pump has started. We can also see over here in the tree view that the indication light is now blue, showing us that the pump has started also. We're getting live feedback from the pump now. You can see that the pressure is increasing, our flow rate's increasing, our current is increasing, and our temperature is remaining somewhere around the same. So all the parameters are within inside the thresholds, which is what we'd like to see. Current, except for current here, which is outside, which for this demonstration is fine. We can see here that our low pressure bypass on startup is timing out, and that will time out and remain timed out, whereas high pressure and secondary low pressure will be once the pump falls into or outside the threshold, these two timers will start to come into play. Now we have the ability to control our pump in terms of its speed. We've got a set speed of 44 psi, which we are maintaining. If I increase this, press apply, you'll see that our pressure is rising to hold our set speed 55. In addition to this, we can disable the set point control and we can control our pump simply based on speed. Here we go, 22,800 RPM. Going back to 20 Hertz. We'll fall outside the flow, so we don't want that. So we'll increase it to get us back into the flow threshold, just so our pump doesn't shut down during the demonstration. 44 Hertz. Okay. In addition to the control screen and the protection screen, the ability to look at what's happening live with our pump set. We're showing pressure, temperature, current and flow at the moment, and here are each one of these parameters being read from the pump directly. So we have 158.4 as our flow, 56.5 as pressure, 23 or just under 23 for temperature. I can make a change here. And you will see these levels change to represent what is happening at the pump set. I'll go back to set point control. You will see us go back to maintain our 55 PSI, and the graph will obviously indicate that as well. You also have alerts and alarms showing the last operations of the system, and here the last one was set point control activated, which is correct, primer inactivated, schedule mode enabled, primer active, pump turned on, and then the warnings. Okay, so that is a basic look at the administration tool, or the desk version of Aquaremote. In addition to that, we have a mobile version. I'll show this in a window on my PC just for ease of demonstration, but this would typically be seen on your smartphone. And the features that you see inside the desktop version are essentially the same in the mobile version. Of manual control, set point control, speed control, and either or can be used. To change where we are with the pump. So here we are increasing speed. We could view our chart. Our chart is responding. We'll enable set point control. And the pump will start to come back up. There are also reports. I've not generated a report. A report does take a little while to generate, so for this demonstration I won't generate a report, but you can select start time or day, end time, and the metrics you wish to add. Okay, so just back to control, manual control, pump off, press apply. Here you can see that the pump will come to a complete standstill. Okay, thank you for watching the Aquaremote demonstration. We will update you with further demonstrations at a later date. Thank you.